The ether when reacted with, question is, the ether when reacted with cold hydrogen iodide gives. If this compound is treated with cold hydrogen iodide, it can dissociate in two different ways. Either this bond can be cleaved or this bond can be cleaved. Okay, so what is the given compound? When this compound is treated with hydrogen iodide, either bond number 1 can be cleaved or bond number 2 can be cleaved. So now let us see what are the products obtained when bond number 2 is cleaved. So if bond number 2 is cleaved, I will get phenoxide ion and benzyl carbocation. I will get two intermediates, phenoxide ion and benzyl carbocation. This reacts with hydrogen iodide to form phenol and benzyl iodide. This is one option. Means when the bond number 2 is cleaved, I will get phenol and benzyl iodide. If you see, look at the intermediates here. Benzyl carbocation is stable. Phenoxide ion also is stable. Both are stabilized by resonance. So we will get these two products if bond number 2 is cleaved. Now let us see what happens if bond number 1 is cleaved. If bond number 1 is cleaved, I will get phenyl carbocation and this ion. Phenyl carbocation and this ion. But phenyl carbocation is not stable. So we will not get. If this is treated with HI, what should I get? Phenyl iodide and benzyl alcohol. But this phenyl carbocation is not stable, so we will not get these products, we will get these products. So what are the products obtained? Phenol and benzyl iodide. Now let us see, look at the options given there. Options given are 1 is phenol, 2 is benzyl iodide, 3 is benzyl alcohol and 4 is idobenzene. 4 is idobenzene. 1 is phenol, 2 is benzyl iodide, 3 is benzyl alcohol, 4 is idobenzene. So according to our equation, we will get option 1 and option 2, means you will get phenol and benzyl iodide. So mixture of 1 and 2 should be your answer.